Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and wish you all a very, very happy Valentine's Day today. Capricorn, I had promised you a bonus read for Valentine's Day. Here it is. Today we're going to tap into your person's energy and see how they're feeling about you. Whether you guys are together or miles apart, what's really going on in their heart, which they wish they could tell you now. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. Capricorn. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them messages today from their person. Thank you. So Cappies, this time I'm not taking out an angel blessing card because I've pulled one out for you, especially all of you at the Omkara family, from the universe, my angels, and me, sending you lots of love on Valentine's Day. So let's begin here. Let's see what this person is going through. What is it that they wish they could tell you now? Capricorn's person spirit. So 3 cards, then we'll clarify these and take some dialogue message cards as well. Bottom of my deck, oh my God, somebody is fearing things are totally over with you, Capricorn. 4 of Swords, Strength, and the 7 of Swords. So Capricorn, what's happening here? Somebody is taking some time out here, wishing, praying, trying to think about the way things went down, trying to gather their strength now after maybe things have ended. Maybe there was some cheating, lying that happened here. I don't know. Let's see. Yes, somebody is heavily thinking about the way things didn't work out with you in the recent past, Capricorn. It's crossed by the 7 of Cups, 8 of Cups. So there could be a question of whether their partner, that's you, who is walking away or will they return. So somebody is really wishing, hoping, praying, trying to gather their strength here, thinking about how things have ended and wondering whether they'll ever have a reunion with you or not. Ever. Okay? So what's the strength card? Strength card. They do love you. They do love you. They see you as a soulmate. 2 of Cups is here. They do want to now pick up their strength, regain their strength, I think, and work towards this relationship once again. One more. Strength card, Spirit. Yes, they think you're a soulmate. They wish to come back to you, Capricorn. They think you're their soulmate. They want to return back to you. They want to work on this connection with you. There are 2 cards here suggesting the same thing. 2 of Cups and the 6 of Cups. This person really wants to put in the effort and the work and hope that, they are right now feeling totally abandoned, left out in the cold. They are fearing that things have totally ended. And what was this? What happened here? 7 of Swords. Spirit? Somebody cheated, somebody escaped, somebody left. Whatever happened, somebody did something foolish here where now they're in deep sadness and regret. Maybe they feel you sneaked away from their life, or maybe they did something which was sneaky, or they cheated or lied, and now this person has a lot of regret about the way they've behaved. But also keep in mind, Capricorn, sometimes these energies can get flipped. So this could be you thinking that about, your partner, but from what I feel, it's your partner who's now regretting the way things went down and what they've done, and they're really wishing and hoping and gathering their strength and missing the loving connection, the loving person that you are. They are fearing that... yes, they really want to now come out of the stuck position they find themselves in and move towards their partner who they feel is very loving, kind, sweet, emotional, loving, caring, everything. I mean, this person has a lot of love for you, but they are fearing things are over now. Why is that, Spirit? What's this 10 of Swords? 10 of Swords. They feel they didn't make a decision on time. Maybe they were being selfish with their time or their energy and they betrayed you. Now this person wants to come back and they want to commit. They want to offer a higher level of commitment, and also they want to expose whatever was hidden. They don't want to keep secrets from you anymore. They want to tell you all that they didn't tell you in the past. Whatever sneaky behavior that there was going on in the past, they want to now rectify that, Capricorn. And yes, this person wants they want to spend the rest of their life, I think, with you, from what I see. They're very regretful about the way things have not worked out, and somebody walked away from this connection. 1 second. Battery's gone low. Okay. So let's see what's in their heart space then. Capricorn's person spirit, what's in their heart space now? Capricorn, your person says, I want to hold you and never let you go. I will wait for you as long as I have to. Like I said, they fear somebody has walked away from them and they are now kind of shaking, literally, because they have realized what they've lost. They want you back. They know that they just want to offer you everything now. They want to hold you and never let you go. I have unresolved feelings that I need to work through. This person maybe probably in the past never took that time to reflect on what they really needed and why they were behaving in the way they were behaving. But now, since the separation, a lot of things are coming to light. Let's see if the masculine had to say something to the feminine here, Spirit, what that would be. Masculine to the feminine. Masculine to the feminine. I feel so stupid for choosing lust over love. The masculine says, I'm stupid for choosing lust over love. The way we are in sync scares the hell out of me. I'm terrified. Yes, maybe somebody cheated here, somebody lied, somebody did something which upset their feminine, but now they are realizing that this is too strong a connection, and they're actually scared of it because this connection seems overwhelmingly good, and sometimes people get scared of that also. Like, it's too good to be true. So this is how this person is feeling, and they probably kind of got scared of it and did something really stupid here, which they have now a lot of regret for. Very, very regretful about the cheating, lying behavior of theirs. So let's see what the feminine would like to say in return, Spirit. Feminine to the masculine here. So many. I loved you more than myself. Then I realized I didn't love myself. Because maybe the feminine was overgiving here, pouring all her love into the masculine till she realized that I'm getting depleted here. And put that lid on that cup of love and said, hey, it's high time I started to save some love for myself instead. I'm embarrassed of how desperate I became and what I did. Do you still respect me? Maybe this was a runner-chaser kind of a dynamic where the feminine was always over-giving, over-welcoming, over-chasing. And now that the feminine has, I think, walked away, now this realization is coming that why was I being so desperate? Why was I chasing this person? What must they be thinking about me now? It's sometimes hard to keep the faith when you're taking so long to commit. So I think this feminine waited and waited and waited, but this masculine was just not ready. And this feminine has lost faith that this commitment may never come and has walked away now. So let's take some true confessions here and see what's really going on. True confession, Spirit, from Capricorn's partner now. True confessions. How can you love me after I effed everything up with our connection? So the masculine is really in regret. They've taken some time out. Now they're regretting what they've done. And they're wondering how this beautiful feminine could have ever loved them this much after all the sneaking, cheating, lying that they've been doing. So they're kind of wondering now, how can somebody be that nice to them? How can you love me after I fucked everything up with our connection? I still have your picture saved. So maybe they just by themselves now, going over the past, seeing the beautiful pictures of their feminine, or vice versa. The feminine could also be doing the same thing. So the feminine says, giving up and leaving just seems so much easier than to just deal with any more pain. Yes. So that's what's going on in this dynamic, and that's what you guys are thinking, I think, and feeling about each other, or at least 90% this was how your person was thinking about you, Capricorn. I hope it resonated. Do let me know, and I will see you next time then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.